Feeling stuck trying to create your own product to sell online? You're not alone. Creating high-quality content takes time, energy, and let's be honest, money. Between writing, editing, designing, and marketing, you can easily spend over 180 hours or 1,800 PLRs just to launch one info product. That's crazy, right? But what if you didn't have to start from scratch? Introducing Social Marketing Mastery, a brand new, done-for-you PLR package you can rebrand, sell, and profit from as your very own. This is a complete high-quality info product ready for you to customize and launch. Use it as an ebook, course, blog content, or even add it to your membership site. Possibilities? Endless. Here's exactly what's inside. 70-plus pages of step-by-step how-to content, over 17,000 words, split into 7 easy-to-digest PDF guides for an e-learning experience. Fully editable doc files, branded as your own. Beautifully formatted, ready to sell ebook. PDF version included. And that's just the beginning. You also get printable checklist, resource cheat sheet, mind map, ready-made sales letter and thank you page, lead magnet and opt-in page, professional graphics, 10 quality articles, promotional email swipes, viral social media image packs, everything you need to launch fast. You don't need to be a writer, a designer, or a tech wizard. This is plug and play. Just add your name, make a few tweaks or not, and you're ready to roll. PLR products are a smart way to build your online business without all the stress. Save time, skip the burnout, and start making real progress today. So what are you waiting for? Get instant access to the Social Marketing Mastery PLR package right now. And remember, your purchase is backed by our